Good morning, Primary 3. This is Chapter 6, Lesson 112. You can find it in your booklet from page 246 to page 249.
At the end of this lesson and this video, you should be able to add and subtract large number with your own strategy, any strategy that you want. Solve story problems about area and fraction, drawing the shaded part and cut it into different way and use distributed property and find the factor pair of area according to the denominator of the given fraction. And the lesson keywords we have here is large numbers, expanded form, place value, carry up 1, borrow 1, area, and fraction parts. Okay, before we start, please, the tools that you need, bring your booklet, your pencil, your ruler, and your copybook or your notebook. Let's start. Add and subtract numbers using your own strategy. I want to add this and subtract this using any strategy that you want. Here I'm going to use the expanded form strategy. This means that I will write each digit in its value, like this. Now I will add ones with ones and tens with tens, hundreds with hundred, and thousand with thousand. Let's add 3 plus 9. I will count after 9, 3, after 9, 10, 11, 12. So I will put down only 2 because I can't put 2 digits in one place value and carry up the 10. So I have this equals 12, so I put 2 and carry up 10. 10 plus 40 equal 50. 50 plus 50 equals 100. I can't put 100 in this place because this place is place for tens, so I put 0 and carry up this 100 with the hundreds. Okay? So 100 plus 700 is 800. 800 plus 600, I will put 8 on my finger and 6 on my mind. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I will put 400 only because this is the place of 100. And carry up the 1000 with the thousands. Now I have 1000 plus 2000 equals 3000, and I have nothing here, so I will drop down the 3000. So this is a number in expanded form, and I'll write it here as in its digit in its place value, so it's going to be 3402. Now the next question I have here, this is a subtraction. I will use expanded form too. I will write each digit in its value, and I will take away ones from ones. Can I take away 5 from 6? I can't. So 5 will borrow just 110 from 40, so 40 will be 30, and this 5 will be 15 because it borrowed the 10 from here. Now 15 minus 6, I will count after 6 to reach 15, after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's 9. And now 13 minus 0, I will put down the 30. Now I have here nothing in 100 minus 400. So I can't take away 400 from nothing. So I will borrow 1000 from here. So this is would be 2000 and this is will be 1000. 1000 minus 400 equal 600. Now I have this, now it's not 3000, now it's 2000. Now 2000 minus 6000, sorry, 2000 minus nothing is 2000. This number is in expanded form. I will write it as a standard form. It will be 2639. Here I have these two
problem, I will use here the place value math to solve them. So I put every digit in its place value like this, ones and tens and hundreds and thousands, and I add them together. 7 plus 7 is 14, so I put 4 and carry up 1. So now this is a 10, not 9. 10 plus 3 is 13, so I put 3 and carry up 1 because I can't put 2 digits in one place value. So this will be 9. 9 plus 3 equals 12, so I put 2 and carry up 1. 1 and 3 is 4, so 4 plus 6 is 10, so I put 0 and carry up 1. So this one will be here in 10,000s, and there's nothing here, so I will drop down the 1. Now I have every digit in its place value. I will put it here in standard form, so the answer will be 10,234. Next question, I will use the place value math to subtract. So I will take away 2 from 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. And 7, I will take away 5 from 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. And 5 minus 5 is 0. And 6 minus 5 is 1. So the answer will be 1023. Okay, I will use here carry up strategy. So I have here 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. I can put 2 digits in one place value, so I will put 0 and carry up 1. So here I have 1 plus 5 is 6, and 6 and 3 is 9, so I will put 9. 2 have nothing down, so I will drop down 2 and 4. So I have 4,290. I will add here 7 plus 5 is 12. So I will put 2 and carry up 1. 1 and 2 is 7. 7 and 3 is 10. So I will put 0 and carry up 1. 1 and 7 is 8. So I will put 8 because I have nothing here and drop down 1 in thousands. I have 1,802. 5 plus 6 is 11, so I will put 1 and carry up 1. 1 and 2 is 3, so I'll put here 3. 8 plus 3 is 11, so I will put 1 and carry up 1. 1 and 5 is 6, so I will put 6 in thousands. Here I will use borrow strategy in this subtraction problems. 4 minus 7. Can I take away 4 from 7? No, I can't. So 4 will go to 2 and ask her to borrow 1. So 4 will take 1 from 2. 2 will be 1. And 4 will be 14. Because this one it will be a 10. 14 minus 7 equals 7. 1 minus 5, I can take away 5 from 1. So this will borrow 1 from 7. So it will be 6, and this one will be 11. 11 minus 5 equals 6. And 6 will drop down because I have nothing here, and 2 in thousands. 6 minus 8. Can I take away 8 from 6? No, I can't. So 6 will go to 0 and ask her to borrow 1. But 0 is already have nothing, so it can't give her anything. So 0 will go to 8 and ask her to borrow 1. So 8 will be 7 and give her 1. So this 0 will be 10. But after it will be 10, it will give 1 to 6, so it will be 9. Now 6 is 16, and 16 minus 8 equals 8. 9 minus 4 equals 5, and this 7 will drop down, and I have 3, nothing down, so I will put it. 3 minus 9 I can take away 9 from 3, so this 3 will borrow 1 from 2. So this 2 will be 1 and this 3 will be 13. Now 13 minus 9 is 4 and 1 minus 9, I can take away 1 from 9, so it will borrow from 6 1, so this 6 will be 5 and this one will be 11. 11 minus 9 is 2 and 5 minus 5 is 5, sorry, it's 0, and 7 will be down 7 because I have nothing here.
Here I'm going to use carry up strategy again. So I add ones with ones, tens with tens, hundred with hundred, and thousand with thousand. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 5 and 9 equals 14. I can't put 2 digits in one place value, so I put only the 4 and carry up 1. Now 1 and 9 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. So I put 3 and carry up 1. 1 and 7 is 8. And I have nothing here, so I drop down 8. Here I have 8 plus 1 equals 9. 3 and 7 is 10. I can't put 10, so I put only the 0 and carry up 1. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5,609. Here I have 2 and 8 equals 10, so I put only the 0 and carry up 1. Here now I have 5 and 5 is 10. I put 0 and carry up 1. 1 and 3 is 4. 4 and 6 is also 10, so I put 0 and carry up 1. 1 and 2 is 3. 3 plus 7 is also 10, so I put 0 and carry up 1. And I have nothing here in 10,000's place, so the 1 will drop down. So the answer will be 10,000. Here I'm going to use borrow strategy. 4 minus 4 equals 0. 3 minus 3 equals 0. 6 minus 6 equals 0. And I will drop down 1 and 1,000. So it's going to be 1,000. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 3 minus 0, I will take away anything from it, so I will drop down 3. 5 minus 0 is also 5, and 3 minus 1 is 2, so it's going to be 2,531. 9 minus 8, I will take away 8 from 9, so I will have 1 only. 4 minus 3 is going to be 1 only. 6 minus 5, I will take 5 from 6, so I have 1 only. 7 minus 3 equals 4, so it's going to be 4,111. Okay, in this part of the lesson, I have some story problems. It's about fraction, area, and 2 steps story problem. So it's a 2 steps story problem, but it's about area, and I'm going to use fraction on it. Let's start. Akram needs to paint a wall in his room. He wants to paint it equally using 2 colors, yellow and blue. The wall is 6 meter by 4 meter. Find the area of the yellow part only. So let's suppose that this is the wall he wants to paint. It has a height that's 6 meter and a length 4 meter. So this wall looks like a rectangle. So if I want to find first the area of the wall, it's like the area of a rectangle, length by width. And here I have a height, it doesn't matter. So it's 6 by 4, it will equal 24 meters square. Don't forget your unit. It's about area, so it's meters square. So I want to find the yellow part only. I know that he cut it into 2 equal parts. So I take 1 part of it, so I want to divide it equally, mean if I want the yellow part only, so I will divide 24 divide 2 equals
12 meters square. So the area of yellow part only is 12 meters square. I have another solution. I can say that I will cut the wall into two parts, yellow and blue. So I can say that all of this is 4 meters. If I want to cut it into two equal parts, this part will be 2 meters only. It means I will divide 4 over 2. So I know now that this is look like a rectangle with 6 meter and 6 meter length and 2 meter width. So I can find the area of yellow part using this law. Length by width, and this length is 6 and the width is 2. So 6 by 2 equals 12 meters square. It's the same answer, so it's correct. Okay, Dahlia wants to buy a new carpet for her dinner room if her dinner room is 8 meter by 6 meter rectangular shape. And she needs to buy a carpet to cover exactly half of her dinner room. Find the area of the carpet that she needs to buy. So first, I want to find the area of the carpet. Before I find the area of the carpet, I must know the area of the floor first. So let's suppose that this is the floor of the dinner room with 8 meter length and 6 meter width. So it's like a rectangular. So I will find the area using rectangle row. So the area of the floor is length by width. It's going to be 6 by 8 equals 48 meters square. So now I have the area of the floor, all the floor, but that carpet want to cover exactly half of it. So the carpet is like this. In the floor, it's covering the half only of it, so it equals half of the area. So the area of the carpet equal half of the area of the room, so it equal half of 48. So it means I will divide 48 over 2. 48 divide 2 equals 24 meters square. So the area of the carpet is 24 meters square. Riham has a rectangular garden. Her garden is 8 meter by 10 meter. If she collects exactly half of the roses planted in her garden, find the area occupied by the roses that are left uncollected. So I want to find the area occupied by the roses that is uncollected. So I must first find the area of the garden. So the area of the garden is length by width because it's a rectangular garden. So I'll multiply 8 by 10 equal 80 meter square because it's a meter, and don't forget the units. Okay, now I have the area of all the garden, but I want only the area that occupied by the roses that are left. So she have only half of this, so this roses left. I want only this area. So this means that I want half of the area. I want only the half of the area. So the area occupied by the roses that are left is half of 80 meters square. Half of all the area only. So half of 80 mean 80 divide 2. So it's equal 40 meters square. So again, she have here a garden and she want to find only the roses that are left, the area of the roses that are left, and it's equal half of the area of the garden. So I will find the area of the garden and then find half of it. Here Ahmad has a chocolate box. He told his father that his brother Yahya ate half of the chocolate pieces in the box. Check if Ahmad is right or wrong, then write the fraction. So this is the chocolate box and this is what he has. Let's see how many pieces in the chocolate box. All the chocolate pieces is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So all of this is 16. Let's see how many Yahya ate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So pieces Yahya ate is 8 pieces. So I want to find if Ahmed is right or wrong. Ahmed said that his brother ate half of it. So if all the pieces is 16, let's find half of 16. Half of 16 means 16 divide 2. 16 divide 2 equals 8. And yes, Yahya ate 8 pieces, so Ahmed was right. Then Ahmed was right. Yahya ate half of the chocolates. Here Layla has a 15 square meter rectangular garden. She needs to plant green pepper and tomato into 2 equal area, 5 meter length and 4 meter width each. Find the total area of the parts she needs to plant and the area of left part in her garden. So let's suppose that this is her garden and the area of the garden is 50 meter square. Okay, I want to plant green pepper and tomato. Here, green pepper and tomato with area of 5 meter length and 4 meter width. So let's find the area of the small garden for each. So the area is 5 multiplied 4 because it's a rectangle, length by width. 5 multiplied 4 equal 20 square meter. So first I will plant the green pepper in 20 square meter out of all the area, and I will plant here the tomato in 20 square unit. Now I plant the green pepper and the tomato. So the total area of it is 20 plus 20 equals 40. Now I want to find the area of the left part. The area of the left part is 50 minus 40 equal 10 meters square. I will take away the area of the part that we plant in from the total area to find the left area. So the left area is 10 square units. Rahim has a 40 square unit rectangular foam sheet. He needs to form small rectangles with 5 units by 3 units. How many small rectangles can he form using his big foam sheet? And how many parts will be left? So let's suppose this is his foam sheet. It's 40 square units. Let's make some small rectangles from it. First, we must find the area of the small rectangles. So the area of the small rectangles is 5 multiplied 3 because it's length multiplied width equals 15 square units. So I will cut from this 15 square unit rectangle and another 15 square unit rectangle. Now I have 15 and 15 equals 30. So I can't make another 15, so the left will be 10 square units. So the big foam make 2 small rectangles and the left part is 10 square units. So again, he has here a 40 square unit foam, a big foam. I want to make small rectangles from it with 5 by 3, 5 lengths and 3 widths. So I'll multiply to get that area, the small area. Now I have the small area is 15 square unit, so I will cut 15 square unit and another 15 square unit, but I have left 10 square unit because 15 and 15 is 30 and I have 10 left from 40. That's all for today. This is our lesson. Thank you for listening.